Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable Windows Sandbox in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Enabling or disabling Windows Sandbox in Windows 11 is quite straightforward. Windows Sandbox provides a lightweight desktop environment to safely run applications in isolation. Note: Windows Sandbox requires hardware virtualization support, VTX for Intel CPUs or AMD-V for AMD CPUs, to run. Click on the Start button or search bar, and type Turn Windows Features on or off. Click on the result to open the Windows Features window. Scroll down and check the box next to Windows Sandbox. Click OK and restart your computer to apply the changes. To disable Windows Sandbox, open the Windows Features and uncheck the box next to Windows Sandbox. Click OK and restart your computer to apply the changes. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time. See you later.